If you want sharper textures in GTA 4, in this video I'll show you how to install the Higher Resolution Miscellaneous Pack step by step in 2026. Check my video description for this Fusion fix. Check this two line on the right and select links and select this download Fusion fix offline installer and it will start downloading. And check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and go to Files tab and select Manual Download option and select Download and select Slow Download option and it will start downloading. Before doing this mod, you need to back up your GTA 4 game folder. Just go to GTA 4 game folder. Right click on the game folder and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you done this, select the Fusion fix. Select browse for another folder. And navigate to the GTA 4 game folder, select the game folder and select folder option and select the path we select. Installation finished successful. Close. Select this folder icon in the mod, right click on the Higher Resolution Miscellaneous Pack and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select Open File Location. Drag and drop this update folder inside of a game folder. Now the mod files added to this, as you can see. Let's close stuff here and launch the game. I will add the before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.